hello mes amours. Qui j'ennuie, qui j'ennuie, qui j'ennuie. So, je dis à la gars, si on a fait de nourriture qui va le parler. So, on a fait de manger mes amours. So, je n'ai pas regardé sous table la guys. Gain diri, sòspwa, lalo. Ok? So, désolé pour présentation parce que guys, nous allons voir ça le fait et comment faire comme ça le arrête guys. So, restez branchés. So, je dis à guys, ça va passer sur channel là. Oh, nous voir longtemps. So, guys, pour une belle vidéo aujourd'hui. Alors, je garantis une vidéo ça belle. Eh bien, nous présentons nous Mr. El
Bonsoir, qui joyeux tout le monde.
Encore venu aujourd'hui, guys. Moun yo pas tant bien. Ou bien de bras du santé dia. Li mande nous qui j'ennuie, m'bral faire le bien fort pour nous. So, on comprend manger guys jeudi à diri sòspwa lalo guys, okay? So, on come shitting guys, on come faire coquin. N'a prend cuillère normal, li fait moins pour ticket plastique ça. Moi elle prend pour nous pas ouais like s'il va pas manger, li doit beaucoup connaître si la première la s'il va première. So, we're gonna see if Uncle gonna like it or not. I don't know yet. So, let's try it, Uncle. Don't give that ugly face. On commence à faire macaque. Uncle, c'est un gars qui vraiment ennuyant à manger. Lui vraiment ennuyant à manger.
Oh, Jessie! Oh, Jessie!
Encore commencer le Jessie. Encore c'est un gars qui vraiment ennuyant à manger. Pour le manger, il manger, il toujours, il vraiment, how can I say that baby? Like you said before, or you have phobia. I know that's already like. Il toujours dit, oh, il a une maladie, il peut manger, il va pas manger, il mange vraiment, il mange qui fait le vomi vraiment, guys. Ça c'est sérieux. So we're gonna try. I hope Uncle ou va vomir sur YouTube là, ok? Ou va vomir sur channel là. Be good boy, okay?
Oui.
Fair petit garçon. So, okay, introduce yourself, Uncle. You're gonna say something in Creole today for people. You're gonna ask them how they are in Creole today. So, guys, Uncle, dis nous comment nous y en Creole aujourd'hui, okay?
Oui. Hola, comment le way?
Hola is not Creole. Stop it.
Oh.
Stop it. You better say bonsoir.
Oh,
okay?
bonsoir tout le monde. Qui je know. Uncle here, getting bit by mosquitoes right now, and it's very uncomfortable. But I want to say hi to everybody and let everybody know I'm going to go ahead and do the Haitian. Oh, that's not Creole, no. Come on.
Uncle commence aujourd'hui à la vraiment. Ma comprendre. Les filles commencent à descendre machin là en anglais. But anyways, Uncle.
The mosquitoes are making me forget how to talk Creole. Gosh.
Okay, Uncle. So, Uncle, now you're gonna go. That's your food.
Oof.
You're gonna do something. I don't know what you're really gonna do. That's called diri sòspwa lalo.
Diri sòspwa lalo.
Yeah, that's diri, and then you know that's right. That's sòspwa noir. That's what's in beans. Okay, go ahead. Sòspwa noir. You repeat that. That's Haitian food. Okay, go paquet haïtien qui remet diri sòspwa lalo. So, on comprend. Essayez diri sòspwa lalo. Okay, that's called lalo.
Lalo?
Yeah.
That green stuff.
No, that's not green stuff. That's called lalo. They do it with leaves. The leaf like called lalo. They call it lalo.
Lalo, that lalo.
And that's really good. Ça vraiment bon, guys. Fait son bagay qui bon pour anémie. So, guys, yes, let's go one go.
Okay, name the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit.
Nothing gonna happen. You better start.
Okay, I start first with the
I know. Why forget si bay plastic sal pran, guys. Yeah, baby Samuel pran. It's good. Okay. One thing. L'autre manger diri sòspwa lalo ou pas manger diri à part, okay? So, nous ka comprendre gen moun ki tellement aime lalo ki ka manger lalo à bon. C'est diri sòspwa lalo qui devon encore ou better manger li ensemble. So, like you're gonna do it, you have to put, okay?
No, too much.
I'm not, okay, but bon pile. Let's see. What mette sòspwa sou diri à comme ça. Et puis, ma prends petit lalo sous côté. Ok, m'a bon pile. Et puis, ma mette la, m'gal mette dans bouche. Be ready.
No, too much. No,
okay,
I gotta do it.
Up, guys. Okay.
I gotta do it my own first. I can't. That's too much.
cheating.
I'm not
Pas
cheating.
petit diri blanc seulement. Ou supposé quitter sòspwa là donne avec lalo. Ok. Encore.
Keep cheering me on.
Ok. Encore. Diri sòspwa lalo. Encore. Diri sòspwa lalo. Encore. Diri sòspwa. How it is. Say how it is. Don't lie. Be true. Like, be yourself. Pas by mentir. Dis comment il est. Est-ce qu'il goûte? Comment il est. Is it tasty? Tell the truth. Look, one thing. Comment on va juger, guys? Comment pour on peut juger? Li ka good par email. Faut d'accord avec opinion moun nan. So, you're gonna say if it's tasty, you may don't like it. But if it's not tasty, you're gonna just judge it the way you should be, okay? So, by vérité encore, dis bagala, je vous ta supposé.
Okay. Okay. So, the truth is that
You have to talk loud, baby.
the truth is, I'm going to tell you the truth. Does it have taste? This brown sauce right here has like a spicy-ish flavor to it.
Okay.
So when you put the
when
brown
you're talking,
sauce,
let me say something. When
Go
you're
ahead.
talking about the thing, you have to, like you do it. Okay, put it in your mouth now.
no, I don't want too much. I don't want
Okay.
too much.
That's sòspwa noir. Sòspwa noir bon pour ça.
I know it's 1%, but 1% no good.
No pusa, no good. Stop doing that. That's right. That's
Okay.
diri blanc.
So diri by itself tastes like nothing. Does no taste at all. That's why I don't mind eating it.
Diri blanc.
Diri blanc, oui.
Sòspwa noir.
Yeah,
Let's go.
sauce noir is spicy. Spicy, hot.
Guys, nou tande, li di yo diri blanc, pa ge aucun goût. Sòspwa noir li même li pique. Ok.
And let me tell you, and let me tell you, little
Okay.
Lalo, no. Lalo scary, Lalo green stuff. Lalo make my mouth taste something bad in there. Bleh.
Be good. Don't doing that. Be good. Don't doing that. Nou ne sa di, guys. Oh, lalo fel te kou, li fel soti. Li ta, mba vle di sa ma diya paske manje a la, you know. So, mba vle pron ko vin de respekte di sòspwa lalo, ke m konen ki vreman bon, guys. Sou mba kay so manje ke m reme an pil. So, anko, m vreman fache paske anko m soti anko vreman de respekte di sòspwa lalo, guys. So, e pa vreman pa fache vreman paske nan la vi fò respekte opinyon moun. Paske yon moun gen do a san reme, yon moun gen do a pa reme. E pi sa yon moun reme, ou gen do a pa reme. Okay? So, anko, you say you like it or you don't like it. Mge te kon el varon nou, guys. I'm just at model.
Okay, so.
Diri blanc. Oh,
Diri.
you have to open your mouth. Se pa diri, paske se pa français ka pale diri. Diri blanc.
Okay, so diri.
Okay, you have
Oui.
to say diri blanc.
Diri blanc.
Diri blanc. Repeat again.
Diri blanc.
And
Oui.
repeat again. Diri blanc.
Diri blanc. Oui. Okay.
Sòspwa noir.
Sauce noir. Spicy. Very spicy.
Li di sòspwa piqué. Okay.
Lalo.
Repeat. Everything.
No.
Wait. Let's say something. Everything you say in English, you're gonna translate for people in Creole at the same time. Okay, you say diri blanc, what happened?
Diri blanc is oui, is good.
Okay, diri blanc, li bon, li good.
Li bon, li good, li oui.
Okay. Sòspwa noir.
Sauce noir is
Spicy, like
spicy.
this. Okay,
Strange.
sòspwa noir piqué.
I
Like,
eat sauce noir and I'm like,
piqué.
And
You better
Lalo,
repeat the Creole, because everybody want to see
I
you
said
speak
sauce
Creole.
noir.
You said sòspwa noir spicy, but I tried to explain to you how to say spicy in Creole is piqué.
Okay, sauce noir pique. Ilalu is no good.
Lalo pa. Ok, mba vlo translate pou di lalo pa bon. Parce que lalo bon. Ok, maintenant,
I don't even know how they even sell, how people even buy this stuff right here. That black green stuff is this green stuff right here. Oh my God. It looks like spinach. Oh God.
Yeah, it looks like spinach. That's
it tastes
true.
way worse.
Li di mpa konen koman yore le spinach en kreyol. But li di ke lalo semble a spinach. That's true, yo semble spinach vraiment. But guys, yeah, okay. Anko bay juge la. Mba vle pou di lalo pa bon kreyol parce que ça m'pa d'accord avec anko dit tout. Parce que lalo vraiment bon. Ok mes amours. So, while anko n'a pas obligé de désolé sur channel là, ou pas obligé de faire lever qui te dit. Ok. Pour je lalo go, pour anko bay visage ça sur lalo, m'pa d'accord pour me dire oh, il doit lalo pas bon. Hell no. Ok. Lalo est vraiment bon, manger est vraiment bon guys. Il est vraiment bien bon acide. Donc, on peut m'imaginer, lalo a vraiment bien bon acide à viande mélangé avec. Oh, guys.
Baby, can I ask you a question? How do you eat it so like you're eating it like it's a McDonald's hamburger? How in the world are you eating it like it's a McDonald's hamburger, honey?
Vous entendez encore? Encore de manger ça pour que les manger hamburger. I don't like hamburger. You know that sometimes I don't like McDonald's. But that's really good. That's not true. I don't like McDonald's. That's not true. If I forgot none of McDonald's.
She likes not just McDonald's, she likes her and I, we've tried almost every hamburger together.
That's not true, guys. I'm not hamburger fan. He is hamburger fan. But guys,
her favorite hamburgers are from Five Guys, by the way.
That's not true. That's my favorite food, okay?
Oh.
Back on it, guys, on compare Melly, so yeah, moi-même ma voile manger, okay? It's really good, Uncle. It's so tasty. It's good. It's good. Bon, ouais, on côté petit qui est ça, comme ça, ça fait. Bon, moi-même, son bon qui aime bral pour me dire, bon qui est bon, aluminium, nous connaissons moi-même. Ça fait me faire du temps. L'autre, moi, je prends là, le gars. Comme ça. La loi parfait pour ça. Bien bon. Push. American guys, what you want to say to them?
Well, what I want to say to everybody is, you know, I appreciate you guys coming out to watch our video over here. This was the Uncle Haitian food taste test. I got to try lalo. I got to try sauce. Poinois, diri blah, and I can tell you that it's not bad. 2 of the 3 weren't bad. The lalo,
just you don't like it.
The lalo, I don't know how anybody can eat that one. It's very awkward tasting. The rice is good, and the sauce not too shabby. But this is Uncle and Deborah over here. Just want to say, you know, this is our first taste test. We're going to give you more in the future.
Yes, guys. On continue ça, c'est premier manger li a bouté, so la pote plus pour nous. Li promet la pote plus pour laisser manger haïtien. Okay? So on continue manger pas mal, but you say it's tasty, but you just don't like it, right?
I don't. It has taste to it, yes. But if you like, but the taste, it doesn't mean that the taste is good, but it has taste to it. It doesn't mean that it's a good taste, though. But there's taste there. There's different tastes. I understand why she takes the lalo and the sauce and the rice and puts it all together in one, because it makes it have a different taste, multiple tastes at once.
It's really good.
Yeah. But at the same time, you have to. It's called an acquired taste, and that's a taste that I have not acquired as
I don't know what you're talking about. Encore par contre ça la bien gars. Et mon fait des fois la pour monter sur 10 sauce pas là. Et me connais mon cher, mais yo mon natibodiquement yo. Yo pas venir là. Puis yo voyer encore là-bas. Parce que toute fan de sauce pas là, pas accepter on a parlé de 10 sauce pas là comme ça, OK? So, mes amours, moi t'es content ensemble avec nous. Moi prends tout ça, prends temps pour manger 10 sauce pas là. So, yeah, on peut pas la donne. On dit que 10 sauce pour lalo, li gen goût, mais pour lui-même, il pas mais il demande comment on peut faire manger lalo. So, lalo is really good. It's really tasty. L'autre manger lalo, ouais, mais là. OK, mes amours, moi t'es content ensemble avec nous. Ou même qui t'a aimé plus de vidéos moi même avec Onko. Commentez. OK, mes amours, on comporte plus de vidéos pour nous, guys. Plus vidéos côté n'a pour même, guys. The funny video côté n'a pour enjoy paquet qualité nous pour connaître Onko. OK, mes amours. What you want to say to them before you leave?
Love you guys so much.
You don't say Marim?
Manuemi ou, Manuemi ou, Manuemi ou.
On continue Reme nous. Ok mes amours?
Oui.
Please subscribe mes amours. Je vous aime.
Share and like. Like
Okay.
and share.
Ok, c'est. Et abonnez.
Abonnez.
Abonnez à la page là.
Abonnez page là.
Abonnez à la page là. Reme.
Reme.
You have to say Reme like that. right?
Reme like
Yeah,
that.
that means like to.
Yeah, that means like to beat the thumb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fais des petits
Fais
boutons
des
pour
boutons,
pouce là.
yeah.
Ok, it's not funny. Moi, je mange. It's not funny.
Oui.
Ok, c'est fais des petits boutons pouce
Fais
là.
des boutons pouce là.
Oui,
Oui,
Reme.
Reme.
Partager.
Partager.
Abonner.
Abonnez.
Moi, Reme.
Reme.
nous.
Non.
Ok, mes
Ok,
amours.
mes amours.
Mouah. C'était Uncle
et
and Barbara.
Barbara.
Ok.
Ciao.
Ciao, mes amours.